Ever dealt with a stubborn check engine light that just won't quit? Sometimes, the culprit isn't a costly engine repair but something as simple as a faulty gas cap. A properly fitting fuel cap isn't just about convenience. It's about keeping your vehicle running smoothly and meeting emissions standards. If you've been searching for a fuel cap that fits right and lasts, this might be exactly what you need. I had a similar experience with my 2006 Kia Sorento EX. The check engine light popped on, and after some digging, I found it was an emissions code triggered by a loose gas cap. Instead of spending a fortune on repairs, I replaced the fuel cap with one that met or exceeded OEM specifications. This cap fit perfectly, whether the filler neck was shallow or deep, vented or non-vented. It's zinc-plated and treated to resist corrosion, so it's built tough to last. Since swapping it out, my check engine light hasn't returned. The only minor downside? You have to hold the cap while pumping gas because it doesn't hang on the fuel door, but that's a small trade-off for peace of mind. What you get with this fuel cap is more than just a replacement part. You're investing in a product designed to meet federal and state emission requirements, ensuring your vehicle stays compliant and efficient. Some models even come in rugged plastic, offering heavy-duty durability without compromising quality. Whether your car needs a vented, non-vented, or anti-surge cap, these options cover all bases with reliable construction. If that's you, someone who wants a hassle-free, durable solution that fits right the first time, this fuel cap is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to stop worrying about loose caps and unexpected engine warnings.